What's going on, YouTube world? So in this video, you're going to learn when to upload your YouTube videos. Yes, the world of YouTube is very competitive. And to be able to break into YouTube stardom, you have to know a few things, and when to upload is a very important part of learning how to use YouTube correctly. Obviously, you want to be able to get your first 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, which are a feat within themselves. But that's the way it is. It weeds out the people that aren't willing to do the work and do this for the long term. And if you think you're going to be a YouTube star in a month, 2 months, you might want to think again. You might get a viral video and you might be able to get there really fast, but for most of us, we have to slowly climb to the top. Yeah, this mic's a little bit weird. I have to directionally talk into this thing. But before we go on, I don't know if you know, but a few people already know, I got into the wine business, and it's really good wine. ONEHOPE Wine. They're one of the wine companies that I really like to work with, and I really support these guys because they're doing some really good things. Before we go into what I'm about to show you with YouTube and when to upload, let's jump into this real quick. So right here, I'm going to show you this. This is my store. You can directly buy off my store. And the great thing about this is I can pick a nonprofit that I want to give money to or support. And what I'm going to do with the next month is I'm actually going to match whatever money's comes in from this website. I'm going to match it and donate it. But this is a really good wine right here. The Vintner Collection California Red Blend. It's 25 bucks. But this is the cool thing about this company is it actually gives back to veterans. It gives back to children, and it gives back to health organizations that really make an impact. And that's what I really love about this is I'm one person to give back a ton of value, a ton of information. Money goes back into my community so I can be able to support the things that I like and that I cherish close to me. So obviously with this bottle of wine, if you buy it, it helps support veterans. 88% of veterans want to continue their service through natural disaster relief. This bottle specifically helps reunite veterans with a sense of purpose through disaster relief. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link my store. And if you want to buy a bottle, you can actually look through my whole store and see something that pops out to you. And if it does, go in there, buy it, support it. And what I'm going to do to the end of the month is I'm actually going to match their donation, ONEHOPE's donation. I'm going to match it and do the same thing for this. And it's literally going to just double whatever money comes in for these people. So I'm super interested in this. So let's get back to what we're talking about. Let me jump right back in here. Boom. So the great thing about what I like about YouTube is during the whole coronavirus thing, a lot of people lost their jobs. And this is another way to be able to bring in some income during these difficult times. So I implore you, if you have time, if you're able to do this, jump into YouTube, start learning it, and start learning from people that are on YouTube and be able to generate a new stream of income. But let's go right into it. Enough with this stuff. All right, so this is, and let me jump back into my computer screen. So this is your YouTube page. Let me just X out of this real fast. This is our YouTube page, right? So what we're going to do here, our main page, is we're going to go to our video manager. As you can see, I have 1,200 subscribers. And right here on our YouTube studio, let me get a few of these boxes out of the way. All right, so right here in our YouTube studio, off to the left, you're going to see your dashboard, videos, playlist, analytics. And I already got a few different videos actually scheduled. So what we're actually going to do is go into analytics. Give me a second. This wine is really good, by the way. And I'm not just saying that. So obviously this is our channel analytics. This is the first thing that we see, the overview. But we're actually going to go into audience. Now, this is one of the tools that I've been using a little bit more. My views are very sporadic since I'm still a very small YouTube channel, but I'm almost getting close to the monetization stage where I'm super happy. But I've been building this for quite a while. Let me turn this phone off. It's kind of annoying. So if you scroll down a little bit on audience, you'll see right here when your viewers are on YouTube. So these dark little lines right here are going to show you when most of them are on here. Let me see. Let me get that back on. So at Friday night, very many of my viewers are on YouTube. They're checking this out. So Friday night is a good time to upload my video, or Saturday night at 9. But also right here, Tuesday at 7 p.m. and Tuesday at 10 p.m. So what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start picking a schedule specifically to push out content at 7 p.m. on Tuesdays. And I don't know about Friday because everybody's kind of already checked out. But I'm going to follow this because this is what the analytics and data are telling us. So this is the great thing about YouTube. You have all this back end stuff that shows you exactly when to push out your content. These subscribers, my 1,220 subscribers, this is when they're on. So if I upload a video during this time, I will actually have a chance to capture their attention at that time. So right here is showing me, and this is going to vary for everybody's channel, but this is how you get to it. So you go to your analytics, you're going to see your overview page. You're going to go to audience, click that back in, and it's going to show you this little graph right here. So Tuesdays and Fridays is showing me is the best time to be able to push out content, and also Saturdays. I think Saturday might be a better day for me to push out my content. So I actually have a scheduled video to go out on Saturday. I do a lot of podcasting. I do a lot of marketing tips. And now I'm going to start doing YouTube tips. So I'm growing my channel. I want to be able to document it and show my journey. In the future, I'll be able to have this revenue stream. And obviously my channel's not monetized yet, but it will get there. I guarantee you it will. But for now, it's a slow climb to the top. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to slowly climb. And using the data and analytics that YouTube gives us, we're going to post on those days. And there's a bunch of stuff. I'm going to save this for another video because the watch time versus subscribers, that is a huge issue. Obviously, you can see 88.9% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. So obviously, I'm missing something. And I already kind of implemented other tools and tactics to be able to combat this to get my subscriber list going higher. But I'm going to save that for another video. But for today, you go to your video manager, go into audience, and this is how you see when you're supposed to upload your video content. So right here, Tuesdays, I'm going to post something at 7 p.m. And I'm going to go for Saturdays. I'm going to go Tuesday, Saturdays. And that's when I'm going to start uploading my content. I'm going to continuously check back on my data and analytics to be able to make sure that I'm using this the right way. So that's all I got for today. If you liked what you heard, hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell. I'm going to be giving you a bunch of different types of content, but it's going to be YouTube related to help you grow your channel. I'm a small YouTuber. You can make money off this. I'm slowly climbing my way to the top, and I'm going to get there. Don't forget, ONEHOPE Wine. If you like to support a nonprofit, hit up my store. I'm going to link it on the show notes. Hit it up, order a bottle of wine, and it's going to help somebody. It's going to help a nonprofit in the United States or right here in Texas. See you guys. It's good stuff.